Improper fractions are what we call those fractions that have a bigger numerator than denominator. That just doesn't 5/3. It's tough to picture. So I want to show you today how to first draw a model for an improper fraction. I always emphasize that I want you to take a look at the denominator first. So I want you to look at the denominator, and the denominator is 3. So we are going to make a model that's in thirds. Let's color in 5 of the thirds. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. Wait a minute, we need more. I can't just break that into more pieces because that'll change the denominator. So I need more thirds, so here I go. Okay, so now I'm gonna count. This is in thirds, 1, 2, 3. This is in thirds, 1, 2, 3. I have to color in 5 of them. Let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have things that are cut into thirds, into 3 pieces, and then I've colored in 5 of those thirds. Now when I look at this, how many things are colored in? Well, I have 1 whole thing colored in, 3/3 are colored in, okay? But 3/3, that's another way of saying 1 whole. And how many down here? Well, 2/3. So this improper fraction, I could write as a mixed number. Matter of fact, I should. It is 1 and 2/3. 5/3 is just another way of saying 1 and 2/3. Let me show you another one. Let's go ahead and do any old fraction that has a numerator. Let's pick a bigger number than that. That has a numerator bigger than the denominator. There you go. My numerator is bigger than the denominator. And like always, I'm going to pay attention first to the denominator. I'm going to make something that's broken into 5 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I already learned up here that I'm going to need more than one of these, because this is 5/5, right? And I have 8/5. So let's just go ahead while I'm at it. I'm going to draw 2 of them. I'm looking at the denominator, and this is broken into 5ths, and this is also broken into 5ths. Now, how many am I going to color in? Look at that number. I'm going to color in 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I colored in 5/5, but I have more to go. 6, 7, 8. I've now colored in 8/5. Well, let's take a peek. 5/5 is just another way of saying 1 whole. And then how many of these 5ths are colored in? 3 of them. 8/5 is another way of saying 1 and 3/5. Different ways of saying the same amount. This side is the improper fraction. It's improper because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Here, I made some models. And this is the mixed number side. Make sense? You're going to try it.